how to get more FPS in Roblox. So first, just open up any game. For me, I'm just gonna open Blox Fruits right here. I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So once it's all loaded up, just simply click on Escape on your keyboard to reveal the menu right here. Then go to Settings. And now once you're on your settings, just scroll down to the graphics mode. So just change it to manual. So for you, it might be set to automatic, but just change it to manual if it's set to automatic. So once you're in manual, you can now adjust the graphics level to your liking. You change it to the lowest level if you really want the highest FPS possible. And you could just change it to like the mid levels if you want just like a stable FPS. Next thing that you can do is go to the maximum frame rate here. It's on the same, so it's on the settings page. So just simply click on the maximum frame rate button right there. And on default, just set to 60. So you just set it to 240 so that it will increase your FPS. Next thing that you can do is just go into your Windows menu right here. Then search for graphics settings. So as you can see, just simply click on graphics settings right there. Then click on the browse button right here. Then here at the top, just simply type in percentage app data percentage. Just like so, then this will pop up. Then click on the app data option right here at the top. And once you're done, it will redirect you right here. So just go to the local folder. Then find Roblox on the list of folders right here. So I have mine just right here. Once you're there, just scroll down to versions. Then find the one that has the Roblox launcher. So right here, the Roblox player launcher. So just simply click on the Roblox player launcher, the .exe file. Then click on add. Then tap on options right here. Then set it to high performance. And click on save. Once that's done, go to the change default graphic settings here at the top. And make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on and variable refresh rate is turned on also. Now just go to your Windows menu again, then search for performance. And here just click on the adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And as you can see, you can adjust it for best performance or just best appearance. So if you go to best performance, you might not be used to the detail or the graphics if you adjust it to best performance, but of course it will speed up your computer. So if you don't like it, you could just go back to this default one and just click on apply and click on OK. Next thing that you can do is removing the temp files. So we're just going to remove the temp files. And to do that, just simply click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then just type in percentage temp percentage. So I suggest that you do this for like every 4 to 6 days or every week. I think every week will be the best. So once you're here on the temp folder, you just simply click on Control A on your keyboard to select all of the files, since it might be very many or your list might be very long. So I suggest that you just click Control A on your keyboard so that you can select all of the folders or files right here. Then once that's selected, just simply click on Delete on your keyboard. So if this pops up, just simply click on the checkbox right here, then click on Skip. Once that's done, just exit out of that. And that's how you basically get more FPS in Roblox.